Welcome to my channel Maths Pursuit. Today we will look into the questions from the chapter called Number Systems. The given question is, write the following in decimal form and say what kind of decimal expansion this has. And the given number is 4 1 upon 8. So let us see and let us find out what type of decimal expansion this given number has. Here the question has given us this number 4 1 upon 8. This is what the question has given us. 4 1 upon 8, and we are going to do two things here. We are, as per the question, we need to expand it, or as per the question we need to write it in a decimal form. In a decimal form, as per the question, we need to write this one as a decimal form. And the other thing that we need to do, we need to find out what kind of decimal expansion we got. What kind of decimal expansion that we got. So these are the decimal expansion that we got. So these are the two things we need to do with the given numbers. Number one is, the question has given us 4 1 upon 8, and we need to find out what we need to convert it into a decimal form, and the other one is what kind of decimal expansion we got. Now 4 1 upon 8, 4 1 upon 8, I can write this one as 8 4 1 upon 8. I can write this one is 8 4s are 32 plus 1 is 33 upon 8. So this is what the given number is now. Now what we have got, we got 33 upon 8. Now let us divide 33 upon 8 in our traditional way. So let us divide 33 with 8, or 33 by 8 in our traditional way. So 33 by 8. Now how to divide this one? 8 4s are 32. 8 4s are 32. We got remainder 1. Now 1 is smaller than 8, so I need to put a decimal here and I need to add 10 here, and I can write 8 1s are 8. 8 1s are 8. Now what we got? We got 2. So we got 2 here. Again I need to put a 0 here, and again I need to put a 0 here, and I can write 8 2s are 16. What we got? 8 2s are 16. 8 2s are 16, and we are left with 4. Again I can add a 0 here, and I can say 8 5s are 40. 8 5s are 40. Now you could see that you could see that we got our remainder as 0. We got a remainder as 0. That means our division is done. We got remainder as 0, and that means our division is done. We can stop here and we can analyze the expansion that we got. We got the quotient as 4.125. This is our quotient that we got. Quotient. And why we stopped? Because we got the remainder as 0. So for that reason we stopped our division. Now the question asked us, number one, to put it in a decimal form. So the decimal form of 33 upon 8 is 4.125. So we converted it into decimal form. Now what type of decimal we got? You could see from the decimal expansion, you could see that we got a remainder 0. That means the decimal is, that means the decimal that we got is a terminating one. It is completely divisible. It is completely divisible. So we can write our concluding answer saying that, we can write our concluding answer saying that, what we can say that, we can say that 4 1 upon 8, 4 1 upon 8 is equal to 33 upon 8, and that is equal to what we got? 33 upon 8, and we got 4.125. So I can write 4.125, and we can put our comment saying that this is a terminating decimal expansion. This is a terminating decimal expansion. That's all guys. Decimal expansion. Hope guys you understood this. This is very simple and very straightforward, but still if you have any questions or doubts, please reach out to me in the comment section of this video. Definitely I will get back to you once I see your comments. Guys, if you really like my videos, please subscribe. If you really like my videos, I would request you to kindly subscribe and also let your friends know. This will motivate me to create similar videos in the future. Thank you. Bye.